Stop. If you're thinking about buying AI Kids Learning Game Builder, there's something you need to know first. AI Kids Learning Game Builder is world's first AI that builds, launches, and runs a complete kids learning gaming platform automatically. You click one button and the AI instantly builds a full learning platform, 40+ educational games, payment gateway, dashboards, and branding, all done for you. So here's the big question. Is AI Kids Learning Game Builder really the future of EdTech automation, or just another overhyped launch? In this review, I'll show you exactly what AI Kids Learning Game Builder is, how it works, who it's for, the pros and cons, and whether it's actually worth buying. Plus, if you decide to grab AI Kids Learning Game Builder through my link below this video, you'll also get my exclusive bonus package worth $599 absolutely free. What is AI Kids Learning Game Builder? It's a smart AI platform that builds and runs a complete kids learning gaming system, not just one app. Launch 40+ educational games instantly. Brand it with your name, logo, and colors. Collect payments directly from parents and schools. Track progress through parent and teacher dashboards. Works on any device, phone, tablet, or laptop. Benefits. Why people are interested. Automation. AI builds every game for you. Math, words, puzzles, science, IQ, and history. Scalability. Launch a full platform, not just one app. Branding. Your logo, your domain, your platform. Commercial license. Sell access to schools, tutors, and parents. Keep 100% profit. Lifetime access. Pay once, run forever. Inside, AI Kids Learning. Game Builder you're getting 40+ ready-to-launch educational games, AI game generation engine, full branding and AMP, customization suite, built-in payment gateway, parent and teacher dashboards, age-smart difficulty engine, multilanguage support, commercial license included, and 30-day money-back guarantee. Honest pros and cons. Now let's talk honestly. Pros. Builds a full learning platform automatically. Beginner-friendly. No coding or design skills needed. Commercial license for unlimited clients. Works on any device. Cons. No guaranteed income. Results depend on your niche and marketing. Quality offers and branding still matter. Requires monitoring and updates for best performance. Results. What to expect. Expect to launch a complete educational gaming platform that earns recurring income from parents and schools. Entrepreneurs. Build and sell branded learning platforms. Tutors. Offer interactive learning experiences. Schools. Replace expensive app subscriptions with your own platform. Now here are my exclusive bonuses if you grab AI Kids Learning Game Builder through the link below. Bonus 1. DFY Game Prompt Pack. Value. $2.99. 500+ ready-made prompts to instantly generate new learning games. Bonus 2. EdTech. Launch Blueprint. Value. $300. Step-by-step guide to monetize your platform and scale to schools and tutoring centers. Total bonus value. $599. Yours. Free. When you get AI Kids Learning Game Builder through my link today. So, is AI Kids Learning Game Builder worth it? If you want to launch a profitable kids learning platform without coding, hiring developers, or paying monthly fees, then yes, AI Kids Learning Game Builder is absolutely worth it. Click the first link in the description to secure AI Kids Learning Game Builder, plus my $599 bonus package today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.